Alright, so I'll give you a little time lapse of me taking it apart, bringing it into the shop, and you'll see, I mean, almost everybody and their mom comes up and talks to me about what's going on, what to do, and this and that, and blah, blah, blah. This is Andy. His YouTube channel is always Andy. He's gonna help me out with some welding stuff that I'm gonna need for the exhaust, and, you know, maybe some future turbo kits and all that kind of good stuff. So, yeah. Check out his channel. He's gonna be doing a lot more. He's kind of like all over the place with bikes and welding and puppies and jeeps and trucks and trailers and whatever you're gonna want. So he's gonna be out there, so you can go ahead and sub to his. So his channel's gonna be up here in the corner. And I'm kind of overlaying this. I'm kind of voiceovering this because, I mean, it's super loud in the shop. It's hard to get a good video to try and explain everything. So this is me just trying to get on there, getting everything to fit. This is actually the new cooler that I got with the fan on, and you can see here that I will never use pipe threads again. These right here are a straight thread, normal thread, and they have an O-ring, which I don't even know why it wasn't like this from the beginning. So I'm gonna put this guy on there, and I'm never gonna deal with this issue again. I'm actually in the Tahoe right now recording this. I put about 160 miles on the Tahoe since I pretty much did the repair. And these since these are 8AN-8, I got adapters on there to go to -6, and you can see these are all the fittings that I've been trying that don't work. So I will never use pipe thread again. These are fittings that came with the kit. If you want to use like a barb fitting, if you want to use this type of fitting, they got a temperature little sensor there for the relay harness. But this is it. I'm trying to MacGyver some stuff. I made some stuff work, and I hope you like the video. Yeah, we're straight ghetto right now. So, what I got is, where did it go? I had it over here somewhere. This bracket is actually to hold the condenser lines on here, but you see, my condenser lines are fucked. So these are actually factory pass-through on the condenser. And I had to drill down a little bit, but I got it mounted on the condenser, and I'm gonna have the polarity on the fan to blow this way to push it through. No sense in going against the wind. And I got these are ghetto, but they work. Freaking zip ties for the radiator. So I got it mounted, and like you saw earlier, these are the nice fittings. So dude, we're gonna be freaking set. Hell yeah. Yeah. So, get the light under here. You can see everything. We got a derail cooler up there. These are all the original lines that I had, and this is how I routed it inside when I originally did it. See, they route back over here. That's the original bracket for the lines, for the hard lines, so I just reused them. I come back here to these guys. Now everything should be fine. So the plan is, let me get a second right here. The plan is once I get everything ready for the LS swap or whatever I plan on doing, I'm not gonna lie, I think one just landed in here. All this exhaust is gonna be gone, and since the lines are long enough, I think I'm gonna remote mount it right here. I'm gonna remote mount it up on top, right around here. But for now, that's gonna work. I'll probably take care of the wiring of the fan and the relay later on, but we got that. I just wanted to be sure that we had no more leaks, and so we're good. But that's about it. This is so nice having a lift for the Tahoe. But yeah, we should be good from now on. No more leak. I'm gonna double check a trans fluid. I'm going to drive, and that should be it. And we're here. We're out driving. We got no more leaks. Don't mind the bird shit that's on the front bumper. But we are good. Right now the fan is not hooked up, so we don't need to worry about that. But dry as can be. That's hot. That's like physically really hot. Look at that. Nothing on my hands. And we're good. So I will never use pipe threads ever in my life again, ever. But we're out here, we're done. So now I can focus on doing some more cool stuff. The last thing I wanted to do was do 9 different videos of me trying to seal this thing and me trying to just stop getting the transcooler from leaking. Look, I even took a little bit of hail damage. There was some hail that was coming over here. Look at that. Oh, that means I gotta get a cow hood. So we got that all done. We're still riding around with the exhaust leak because shitbox things. Fuel pump just loud for no reason, just intimidating people for no reason. But that's it. We are done. We're good. It drives and shifts fine. The only thing I'm gonna do now is probably within the next 500 or 1,000 miles, I'll probably just go ahead and drop the trans pan and do a filter change on it and get some new fluid in it. Just because all throughout the braking for the new trans, and with all the issues that if you haven't seen with the damaged harness that was inside, all the different fittings and sealants that I tried to put on the fittings on the original transcooler. So I just want to get all that junk out of it and then have a very fresh bill of health on the trans when I put everything in. Ooh, autofocus, crazy. So that's it. We got more stuff to come. And look at that. We got a race car. We got a freaking race car over here. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some tacos.